And good day, everyone. Welcome to Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. These are our top stories. Our first story, when customer service goes... Ooh. So a man took to Twitter to detail an experience he had while making a call to SideChick. The tweet read, "Today I called SideChick Customer Care Center. Convo was going good. Was getting the info I needed. Then all of a sudden, dude went into the ghetto homosexual voice and addressing me. I abruptly ended the call. No, I don't care who uno want hire, but I don't care for that tone."
Me mama, whoa, my belly.
I guess I'm kind of with this guy because everyone knows that you never use the ghetto tone. It is all about the uptone homosexual tone in business.
It was a pleasure talking to you.
Now, in other news, dancehall artist Keng is banned from public appearances in Guyana. Oh, okay, I'm just happy to say it's not in London, You saw me there? Meanwhile, dancehall producer Shabdan charged with 3 counts of murder. Well, on the bright side, at least it's not 4. Now, moving right along. Now, American rapper Badman Kev gets BBL.
Working out hard as hell though, you know what I'm saying? Like after the fact, you feel me? So I had him take fat from everywhere, you know what I'm saying?
You can imagine you as a man go get a designer body and then when you come go dance, a girl go tell selector for go play the song for you.
You got the courage in the waist.
Speaking of men, 2 women were seen at a Portmore gas station arguing over a shared penis. No, gas stations are really the enemy. No, first up, fuel prices just going sky high. I know the woman them can't even go to a gas station in peace without bucking up their matey. Woo! Now, in other hot-headed news, star footballer Leon Bailey yanked a door ahead of a spray girl that does the sanitizing. Do take a listen or a look. Gosh, I'm really gonna lose the work.
Leon Bailey pushed away the lady don't want to be sanitized.
Oh, Leon said,
"Move, get out the way."
Now, from one athlete to the next, Asafa Powell recently received the Guinness World Record for having the most competitive sub-10 clock-ins in the 100-meter. And now, in this totally unnecessary story, take a look at this video with this young man doing a remixed version of the stir fry.
Watch the style, big split, fully chip, you know we rich past brick. Let me fling it on the pretty lick, dog, just call it concrete. A clock's pound with feet.
No man, the man fully a stirring and drying up. And now to our final story. Artist and host D Burns recently shared this question to his social media.
From me a little youth, me I hear this argument about where the duck get and him get where the duck get and she get where the duck get and who get where the duck get. But in my middle ages, yeah, me still don't know where the duck get. You understand? I want to know where the duck get because the next time somebody say to me, say, yo, somebody get where the duck get, more have to be able to respond accordingly. You understand what I say? So, anybody boy here where know where the duck get or who when did they when the duck get where the duck get? Me ask, where the duck get?
No, it really begs the question for true, you know, because it's either the duck get plucked or the duck get Well, we've come to the end of this Dutty News. I've been your host, DB. Do take care. Remember, Dutty News, where I talk about random things that I see on my timeline. Do take care. Until next time. Ta-ta.